This is one of the more interesting developments that we had worked on over the years. It's an extremely hilly site in Guatemala. The architect and engineer was not able to make the numbers work on this and get the unit count. And we were able to not only accomplish that, but there was one plateau that had to be connected to another plateau, and their solution would have had an extremely steep drive that, in our opinion, would not be usable. So these are multi-story buildings, as you can see. It's for apartments for affordable housing. And so the idea was, how do you get to between these plateaus? How do you work with this difficult terrain and also balance the earthwork so that, you're not, uh, you know, re taking the economics out of the development. So we're able to take the one lower plateau and create a fairly usable grade and transition off the side of the hill. And again, part of the planning process is not just from a, bird's eye view. You've got to make it work on the ground. So, we're able to make it work. We're able to get the unit count. We're able to get the parking. And one of the issues was, and you'll see this building on the right, that one, how do you get into that unit? So there's actually from this parking lot a bridge that will be built to the fifth floor. And the fifth floor is the actual entrance. Now, looking out the windows of the first four floors on those units into the hillside, I guess that's just the way they do it over there. But this is taking what would look like an impossible site and making it possible. And that's what we did here on this particular site. And it was kind of fun to do.